What do you think of when you hear the word millionaire? Do you picture some complex stock charts, a massive business empire, or perhaps a lucky crypto bet? What if I told you the real path to seven-figure net worth is built on three simple, almost weird daily habits? This isn't about the impossible hustle and grind culture, trust me. And I'll break down the three habits that can make you becoming a millionaire an achievable reality. And the second one is something most people are conditioned to ignore. The first habit that will make you a millionaire is to relentlessly invest in what I call your knowledge dividend. You've probably heard the old saying that goes, millionaires read a lot of books, and there's a truth to it. One study found that 88% of wealthy people read for at least 30 minutes a day for self-improvement, and this goes way deeper than just passive reading. And knowledge dividend is the tangible return you get from actively learning a high-value skill. It's about strategically spending your time and money on education with a specific goal of boosting your income. Most people see a training course or a workshop as an expense. They think, oh, I can't afford to spend $1,000 on that. The scarcity mindset sees only the cost. The abundance mindset asks, how can this investment make me $10,000 in return? It is education not as a cost, but as an investment with a massive potential return. Think about it this way. While the return varies wildly by your major, a bachelor's degree can still significantly increase lifetime earnings. But you don't need a formal degree to get a return. High-value skills are the ultimate currency. Maybe you spend $500 on a course to master a specific software. If that skill will help you land a $5,000 raise, you've just made a 10x return on your investment. That's your knowledge dividend in action. And here is how to do it. First, identify a skill that's in high demand in your field or in field you want to get into. Look at the job description for roles that are a step or two above yours. What do they require? Data analysis, project management, sales perhaps? Second, find the most effective way to learn it. That could be an online certification, a weekend workshop, or hiring a coach. Yes, it will cost you time and money, but remember, you're not just spending, you're investing in your single greatest asset, yourself. I have a friend who was working in customer service with a decent but capped salary. He saw that data analytics was exploding, and instead of just wishing for a better job, he invested about $2,000 in an intensive online data course. For 6 months, he spent his evenings and weekends grinding it out. It was tough, but a year later, he landed a job as a junior data analyst with a salary that was $30,000 higher. His 2K investment is now paying him a $30,000 dividend year after year. Don't just consume information, invest in your skills. The money you pour into your brain is the one investment that no market crash can ever take away, and it will pay you dividends for life. Alright, the second habit is tracking your net worth. Not your spending, not your budget, but your net worth. And I'm going to suggest you do it every single week. Now, I get it, that sounds obsessive. Most financial gurus tell you to track every penny, to live and die by a strict budget. But here's the problem with that. It's rooted in a scarcity mindset. It makes you focus constantly on what's leaving your account, on restrictions, on everything you can't do. And it feels like a punishment, honestly. Budgeting is about the short term, but tracking your net worth is about the long term, big picture growth. Your net worth is a simple formula. What you own, your assets, minus what you owe, your liabilities. This one number is the most honest report card of your financial health. Watching it gives you a true snapshot of where you stand and empowers you to make confident decisions. When you focus on your net worth, your entire perspective shifts from how much did I spend today to how did I grow today? Here's why this is so powerful. When you see that number every week, it becomes part of your identity. You start making subconscious choices to protect and grow it. And suddenly that big unnecessary purchase isn't a question of, can my budget actually handle it? But do I really want to see my net worth go down? It turns saving and investing from a boring chore into a game you actually want to win. You get a little dopamine hit every time seeing that number climb, which keeps you motivated. And getting started is very simple. You can use a spreadsheet or a free net worth tracking app that automatically syncs your accounts. All you have to do is open it for 60 seconds every week and just look at the number. Don't judge it, just observe it. When I first started, my net worth was negative. It was painful to look at, I won't lie, but I stuck with it, and slowly I saw it move from negative 10,000 to negative 5 to 0. The first time it ticked over into positive territory, something just clicked in my brain, and I wasn't just a person in debt anymore. I was a person with a positive growing net worth. It changed everything for me. The third and final habit is the one that glues it all together. It's a simple, profoundly powerful concept. Automate your future self-payment. You've definitely heard pay yourself first. It's classic advice for a reason. It means before you pay rent, bills, or anything else, you send a chunk of your income to your own savings and investments. But I want you to reframe it. You're not just saving, not at all. You're paying your future self. It is the most important bill you will ever have. The problem with trying to save manually is that it relies entirely on willpower. You get your paycheck, you live your life for a couple of weeks, and then you just hope there's something left over to save. And most of the time, there isn't. This leftover mindset is a recipe for disaster. Automating the process removes willpower and emotion from the equation completely. You make one decision, one time, and the system does the work for you. It works because of a simple psychological trick. Out of sight, out of mind. And when the money is instantly swept out of your checking account the moment your paycheck hits, you never really see it, you don't miss it, you just naturally adjust your spending to what's left. Setting this up is incredibly easy. First, decide how much you're going to pay future you. Financial advisors often recommend a saving rate of 15 to 20% of your income. But if that feels like too much, start smaller. Start with 5% or even just $100 a paycheck. The amount is less important than building the unbreakable habit. Second, log into your bank's website. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your investment account, like Roth IRA or brokerage account, for instance. Schedule it for the day after you get paid. This ensures future you gets paid before anyone else. This small action creates a huge mindset shift. Saving is no longer about depriving yourself, but rather it's an act of deep self-respect. You're treating your future well-being as a non-negotiable. Every automatic transfer is a vote of confidence in the person you're becoming, a guarantee that no matter what temptations pop up this month, you're already prioritizing your long-term wealth. And when you automate, you build your millionaire foundation brick by brick without thinking about it at all. You create a system where your wealth grows in the background silently, compounding month after month. This is the single most effective way to ensure you actually reach your goals. So that's it. 3 habits that aren't about finding the next hot stock or working 100 hours a week. They are about fundamental shifts in your daily routine and your relationship with money. First, track your net worth weekly to shift your focus from scarcity of spending to abundance of growth. Second, invest in your knowledge dividend to turn your brain into an income-generating machine. And third, automate your future self-payment to make building wealth an effortless and consistent process. Becoming a millionaire isn't a single event. It's the result of hundreds of small, smart decisions that compound over time. These habits are those decisions. They are simple, they're actionable, and they are available to you right now. The journey to 7 figures starts today with the very next choice you make. It's not about being perfect, it's about being consistent. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in this video right here.